Welcome back.
Now, amid the nationwide uproar over the brutal gang rape in Delhi, government has announced a three-digit women's helpline number 181. The helpline being set up at Delhi Chief Minister's office will be operational before the end of this month. Union Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde said that the police would seek a day-to-day hearing of the gang rape case. Earlier in the day, it was decided that the trial would start from 3rd January next year.
Amid nationwide uproar of a brutal gang rape in Delhi, government has announced a three-digit women helpline number 181. The Telecom Ministry agreed to Delhi Chief Minister's request for helping women in distress. It was exceeded within 2 hours of the request. This is the first three-digit number to have been allotted in 2 years. It will start soon. Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde said the police will seek day-to-day hearing of the gang rape case. He also ordered a probe.
Talking of sports now, India have entered the final of the Asian Champions Trophy after registering an emphatic win over arch-rival Pakistan. A confident India overcame the first half blues before defeating Pakistan 2-1 in the penultimate match of the Asian.
An India versus Pakistan cricketing encounter doesn't need any extra hype, and especially when it kickstarts the first bilateral series between the teams in 5 years. The teams will play 5 matches across different Indian cities. The first T20 match will be played today at Bangalore.
Right, Anil, as you have been pointing out, the moral accountability needs to be fixed. Clearly, Anil, with this recent case, the fear was always that the protest might turn violent, and that's what has been the case as far as this constable is concerned, which is once again highlighted in this case, the moral accountability that you're talking about.
मैंने आपको बताया कि जिस तरह के ये जो मास मूवमेंट होता है, जो प्रदर्शन होते हैं, इसमें एक चूंकि मीडिया बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है, तो उसमें होता ये है कि जो सरकारी जिम्मेदार आदमी है उसकी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो फिक्स होती है, वो फ्रेम में होता है, उसके ऊपर अधिकारी भी होते हैं, विजिलेंस होती है और माहौल ऐसा बनाया जा सकता है। लेकिन ये व्यक्तिगत जो हानि है, ये जो हेड कांस्टेबल की मौत हुई है या दूसरे जो इंजर्ड लोग हैं, उनके प्रति भी एक संवेदनशीलता, एक सेंसिटिविटी का माहौल मीडिया के थ्रू, जनता के थ्रू या अधिकारियों के थ्रू एक इस तरह का संतुलन जरूरी है कायम करना। लेकिन होता यह है कि जैसे ही जन भावना को देखता है मीडिया, जन आक्रोश को देखता है, आम पब्लिक।
Tragic news they're coming in, but thanks Anil for those inputs.
We now take a look at the events listed for later today.
Congress Legislature Party Leader Veerbhadra Singh to take oath as Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh for the 6th time in Shimla. The Gujarat BJP Legislature Party to meet in Ahmedabad to elect the state's new Chief Minister. Birth of Jesus Christ being celebrated as Christmas. Birth anniversary of educationist and freedom fighter Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya to be observed. The death anniversary of world's most loved and respected over the gang rape of that student, the union government managed to contain the protests which continued in muted forms at Jantar Mantar on Monday, with all connecting roads to India Gate blocked and 9 Delhi metro stations around Jantar Mantar shut down. Traffic was thrown out of gear and commuters had a tough time travelling to their workplaces. Let's move on to another story. Media coverage of Delhi gang rape case instills fear in little girls' minds. The incessant media and outside and an increase in forewarnings has disturbed girls as young as 7 and 8 and has led to the onset of fear at an early age. Parents and schools have had to step up, assuring and reassuring girls of their safety. Sleepless nights, emotional behavior, stress and anxiety are becoming common complaints from parents. And just for a bit, let's talk about cricket. Not just cricket, but Dhoni and Mohammad Hafiz have sought to divest the 5-match limited over series of their political undercurrents. It is a balanced series and the team that plays better will win, said Dhoni, while Hafiz stressed, "We are here to play good cricket." Let's move on to the Indian Express. Union Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde to order a high-level independent inquiry into the interference by top police officials when an executive magistrate sought to record the 23-year-old gang rape victim statement at Safdarjung Hospital on Saturday. In her note to Shinde on Monday, Dikshit has cited a letter sent to her by Deputy Commissioner East B.M. Mishra on Saturday following a complaint from Subdivisional Magistrate. All right, let's go across to his